Hey everyone, I am here today with Ami. She's a big fan of Modular closets, so she invited me in her gorgeous closet today, so I'm super excited. And I want to highlight today her shoe wall because it's pretty fabulous.
I realized that I could literally adjust my shelves down a little closer to the shoes and fit another shelf in here to get more shoes.
And that's super easy because right here, you just pull out these little knobs and you can move these shelves as much as you want and really create it your own. A quick little tip for anybody who doesn't have as many of these beautiful shoes. What you could do is actually take this shelf here we're gonna use for display. So let's just pretend that these three, Ami, do you wanna take those two out? If somebody didn't have as many shoes and this was a little spare, then we can create a little display. So these are beautiful. So we're gonna leave those there. And then let me look around for what else we can use. I'm gonna take this purse and literally create a little display.
I love it. I actually think we need to get a bigger closet just so I could do that randomly in places but still fit my shoes.
I love the display aspect because it makes it more boutique, right?
Yeah.
You can add like a little candle, or sometimes people put frames. So it's really great. So you can store shoes. This way is totally fine, personal preference. You could turn them around, that's fine. But the little bonus trick, which you've learned.
I started to do because again, space.
No, you've learned. I'm really proud of you. So by turning one shoe in and one shoe out, you fit another pair of shoes. So in this instance, we would turn it around like that, and you could see all that gap.
Yeah.
I'll do it for this one. I'm like so scared to touch
No, they're fine.
Justin's probably like, oh, these crazy ladies. Okay, so you can see, look, how much space.
So if we do that, can I go ahead and move another? Because technically I want this white shoe to be up here.
Okay.
But because there was no room.
No, we can. Let's see.
Yes.
I hope.
There, that works.
There you go. See?
Got a whole nother shoe in there.
Exactly. So that's a really nice little bonus tip for you. For more tips and tricks, follow us at Modular Closets.